Children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Closed type of circulatory system. Just now we were discussed. Closed type of circulatory system. Blood flow in blood vessels. Blood flow in the blood vessels. Heart to pump the blood into blood vessels. Here you can take heart to pumping the blood into blood vessels. Through the blood vessels, the blood enters into the tissue. In the tissue, blood utilizes and converts into deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood again enters into the heart. Of course, from heart it enters into lungs. In the lungs, it must be purified. But here we have to discuss about the closed type. That's why you can remember, you can listen and remember this only. The heart to pumping the blood in the blood vessel. In blood vessel, the heart to pump the blood into the blood vessel. Through the blood vessel, the blood must be flow. The type of circulatory system is called as closed type of circulatory system. And this is about the diagram. You can take this closed type of circulatory system. Just now we have discussed the developed animals are containing this closed type circulatory system. Here you can take Annelida, phylum Annelida. Earthworm you can take. In earthworm, closed type of circulatory system is present, except leeches. In the leech, just now we have discussed open type circulatory system is present in the leech. But here you can take Annelida phylum. Example, earthworms containing this closed type circulatory system. Cephalopoda class. The cephalopoda belongs to mollusca phylum. Except cephalopoda, remaining molluscans are containing open type circulatory system. But only cephalopoda class containing this closed type circulatory system. Class cephalopoda containing this closed type circulatory system. And you can take cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. You can take subphylum cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. Subphylum cephalochordata. Cephalochordata also containing a closed type of circulatory system. And here you can take vertebrates. Vertebrates containing this closed type circulatory system. And if you will take the vertebrates, and here you can take fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammals, aves and mammals, aves and mammals. These are containing a closed type of circulatory system. This is about the closed type of circulatory system. Only one thing you have to remember, Nana. In closed type circulatory system, the blood flow in blood vessels. In open type circulatory system, blood flow in the sinuses of the body. No blood vessels in open type circulatory system. The blood flow in the body cavity only in the open type circulatory system. But when we will take this closed type circulatory system, blood flow in blood vessels. Blood flow in blood vessels. And the heart to pump the blood into the blood vessel. Through the blood vessel, the blood reach the tissues. And from tissues, again it reach the heart. From heart, the blood reach the lungs. The blood reach the lungs through the blood vessels only. In closed type, the blood flow in blood vessels only. This is about the closed type circulatory system. And examples you can take Annelida phylum, except leeches. Leeches containing open type circulatory system. But here you can take earthworms such like all are containing this closed type circulatory system. And the cephalopoda class. Cephalopoda class belongs to mollusca phylum. Except this cephalopoda class, remaining all molluscans are belongs to open type. But the cephalopoda class belongs to this closed type. Most important is the specific. And the cephalochordata. Cephalochordata, it is also containing closed type. And the vertebrates, if we will take the vertebrates, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammals, these are called as the vertebrates. In all vertebrates, the closed type of circulatory system is present in all vertebrates. This is about the closed type of circulatory system. And how this circulation occurring, how the closed type of circulation occurring, we have to discuss. This is about the closed type of circulatory system. Followed up? Do you want once again, Nana? Children?
Followed, sir.
Now we have to discuss about this blood circulation in the fishes. How the circulation occurring in the fishes, how the circulation occurring in the amphibians, and how the circulation occurring in the reptiles, aves, we have to discuss. In closed type circulatory system or in blood circulation, heart play an important role in the closed types in a circulatory system. Heart play an important role in the circulatory system. Heart, it will pump the blood. It will pump the blood. The heart play an important role in the circulatory system. If we will take the heart, you can take fishes. How the circulation occurring in the fishes we have to discuss. The how the heart is doing the function in the fishes. Here you can take nana fishes. It is containing two chambered heart. Two chambered heart is present in the fishes. Two chambered heart. In this one is upper chamber, second one is inner chamber. If we will take this upper side or upper part or upper chamber called as auricle or atrium auricle or atrium, and you can take an inner chamber, and it is called as a ventricle. And I would like to draw the diagram also. Listen to me, Nana. If we will take fishes, the fishes are containing two chambered heart. First one is auricle, and the second one is ventricle. Here you can take it's an auricle. The inner chamber, this is the ventricle. These are the blood vessels. It's auricle or atria. Auricle or atria. Both are same, Nana. This ventricle. Ventricle. This is a two chambered heart which is present in the fish. Two chambered heart is present in the fish. Just now we were discussed. If we will take this fish, this heart contain impure blood only, impure blood. That's why this heart is called as venous heart. Venous heart. Venous heart. Heart containing only impure blood. You can take our part, our heart. One side pure blood is present and next side impure blood is present in our heart. Two type, pure and impure blood, both must be flow in our heart. But you can take the fish. From the fish, only impure blood must flow. From the fish heart, only impure blood must flow. Due to that, this heart is called as venous heart. Venous heart. And it is containing single circulation, Nana. And fish containing single circulation present in the fish. Single circulation present in the fish. Single circulation. What is the single circulation? I would like to explain here. I would like to draw the diagram. Diagrammatically, I would like to give this information to you. Listen carefully. What is the single circulation? It's a fish. Rough diagram I am drawing here. A fish. Near the fish, near the mouth, gills are present in the fish. Gills, gills present in the fish. Here, gills are present. These are called as the gills. Gills. Here, heart is present. For example, here I am drawing the heart. It's a two-chambered heart I am drawing here. It is a heart. Heart. From heart, from heart, the blood enters into the gills. Blood enters into the gills from heart. This blood enters into the gills. Near the gills, blood purify. Blood purify. You can take the fish. It will take the water through the mouth, and this water comes outside from the gills only. The gills are always bathed in water. The water containing dissolved oxygen. When the heart supplying impure blood to the gills must take oxygen from water and release carbon dioxide from the blood. Here, the gills are purifying the blood. When the gills purify the blood, from this gills, the blood reach to the body parts. From the gills, blood reach to body parts. Body parts. Blood reach to body parts. When blood reach to body parts, from blood, this is a pure blood. Here you can take pure blood. Pure blood reach the body parts. When pure blood reach the body parts utilize blood, and this deoxygenated blood enters into impure blood. Impure blood. Impure blood or deoxygenated blood enters into the heart, and again from heart, and again from heart, the purified blood enters into the body parts. The body parts must utilize oxygen, and this body parts develop impure blood. The impure blood enters into the heart. In one direction only, the blood is supplying. This heart containing only impure blood. Always the heart containing impure blood. That's why this heart is called as a venous heart. Always the heart containing impure blood. That's why this heart is called as venous heart. Venous heart. Why? Because it is containing impure blood. And from heart, the impure blood enters into the gills. Just now we were discussed. Mouth always take the blood, water. When it is taking water, the water comes outside through the gills. Always the gills must be bathed in the water. The gills absorb oxygen which is present in the water, and this oxygen enters into the blood, and carbon dioxide enters into the water. And the blood is going to purify. The purified blood directly enters into the body parts. Purified blood directly enters into the body parts. When the purified blood directly enters into the body parts, in the body parts, the blood converts into impure. The impure blood enters into the heart. Throughout the lifespan, the heart taking impure blood and supplying impure blood to the gills. Always the heart containing impure blood. Due to the reason, the fish heart is called as a venous heart. Fish heart is called as a venous heart. And one more thing we have to discuss here. And this circulation is called as a single circulation. The circulation is called as a single circulation. Why? Because always the blood flow in only one direction. From heart, the blood directly enters into gills. It is taking impure blood from the body parts, and it is sending impure blood to the gills. Only one direction the heart is sending the blood. That's why it is called as a single circulation. This is also most important. Here venous heart most important. The single circulation most important. What is the single circulation? We have to know. Why we have to call the heart is a venous heart? We have to know why, because the heart of the fish always containing impure blood. Due to the reason, this heart is called as a venous heart. And from heart only in one direction the blood is flowing. In this direction only the blood flowing. In this direction only the blood flowing. That's why this is called as a single circulation. Only which in an impure blood flowing, and in only one direction the blood is flowing. Impure blood flowing from the heart. That's why this is called as a single circulation. This is about the heart of the fish. It's very simple, Nana. Two chambered heart is present. Upper chamber auricle, inner chamber ventricle. Auricle nothing but atria. Also we have to say, and inner chamber ventricle. And this heart, otherwise called as a venous heart, and single circulation is present in this. This is about which Nana? Fish heart. Followed, Nana? Children?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Okay, Nana. Okay, Nana. Tomorrow we have to discuss, Nana. Remaining persons not absent today. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Hello? All right, Nana. Bye.
Okay,
Nana.
sir.
Bye. Nana.